Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing visible particles because even tiny dust makes bubbles. Once done, position the iPad flat. Hold the Robustrion protector by the edges, peel back a short 1/2 of the release liner, and align the exposed top edge with the iPad camera and corners. Make sure to use alignment tabs or a small strip of tape to hold the top in place. This prevents shifts while you prepare to lay the rest down. Move deliberately. Fast moves trap dust. Next, lower the protector gradually from the aligned top hinge, letting adhesive meet glass smoothly so it catches evenly. This reduces trapped air and misalignment. As you lower, use a soft plastic card wrapped in microfiber to squeegee from center toward the edges in overlapping strokes. This forces air and moisture out. If a stubborn bubble appears, lift just to the nearest edge, blow or use tape to remove dust, then lay back down and re-squeegee. Consistent pressure makes the adhesive bond evenly. Finally, peel off the top protective layer if your Robustrion model has one, and press all edges firmly for 10 to 20 seconds to seat the adhesive. This stabilizes the bond. Test touch response, gestures, and Face ID, making sure a case fits without lifting edges. Allow 12 to 24 hours for full adhesion. If alignment or dust is a problem, lift from the nearest corner, use a small strip of tape to remove the particle, then reapply slowly. This targeted lift prevents full reapplication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.